Well, we've got our sauce going with all the vegetables and some nice olive oil and a little butter, make it a little bit richer sauce. Some dry, fruity/dry red wine in the form of Merlot, and the canned marinara, which is a really good one. I've taken the sausage out and crumbled it up, and that's going to go back into the sauce in a minute. And I just wanted to talk about the ricotta mixture. I'm using a whole milk ricotta. Ricotta is cow's milk, and it's nice and creamy. Let me show you how it looks. Really creamy, but on its own, I think it might be considered a little bland, so I make it into a mixture that's going to include a little bit of cinnamon, some coarse salt and freshly ground pepper, a little bit of oregano, an egg to kind of whip it together, and some freshly grated Parmesan and Romano cheese. And we're going to put that all together when we come back.